Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Blood of ARES and Evony. The use of Blood of ARES and Evony, you'll need it to ascend historic generals beyond their 5-star enhancement. First, make sure your general is at least level 22 and already has 5 gold stars. You also need enough fragments or tokens for that specific general. Once the requirements are met, open the general's profile and tap the Enhance button. From there, select Accent and use the required amount of Blood of ARES along with general fragments to upgrade them. Each accession level contains 5 stages that improve stats like leadership, attack, defense, and HP. Fully ascending a general to 10 stars can require around 4,580 blood of ARES and roughly 450 fragments, or about 15 general tokens. Keep in mind that only higher rarity historic generals, such as gold ones, require blood of ARES. Lower rarity historic generals, like purple ones, do not need this resource for ascension, and that's how you use Blood of ARES and Evony. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.